Thank you, Narayan sir.
We live in our deeds and not in ears. We live in our actions and not in our fears.
We live in empathy and not in ignorance. And there is nothing more magical than our kindness wiping others' tears.
Good evening, I'm Priyanshi and I joined the Indian Development Foundation as a social ambassador to brighten the lives of underprivileged children with the colors of art.
A very good evening to everybody. My name is Shreya Singh and I've been running this small school at my own place called Kadam, where I've been teaching underprivileged children since 1 year.
Today, as we stand here, we feel immensely honored and grateful to IDF for not only recognizing our potential, but also for giving us a platform where we can contribute to the society the best of ourselves and pass on love and happiness.
Through our experiences and through a great source of inspiration like the IDF, we have realized that the power of human connect can do wonders. We have realized that for every disparity, there is a miracle. For every negative vibe, there is goodwill. For darkness, there is a ray of hope. And for every person in pain, there is a selfless and dedicated human.
Today, as social ambassadors, our role is not just to carry forward the remarkable legacy of IDF, but also to create a new and a better tomorrow for the society. We wish to make each and every youth and each and every child realize the fact that there is nothing more joyful than putting a smile on the faces of those children who are not fortunate as we are. There is nothing more great than doing your bit to reduce the pain and suffering of others. There is nothing more humane than helping those who cannot help themselves so that they can stand on their own. आप सभी बच्चे केवल IDF के नहीं, इस देश के भी सोशल एम्बेसडर्स हैं। जब आप सब पढ़ लिख कर, अपना नाम कमाकर, अपने पैरों पर खड़े होते हैं और समाज की सेवा करते हैं, उनका दर्द बांटते हैं, उनकी खुशी बढ़ाते हैं, तो उससे संतुष्ट जीवन संभव नहीं। और आप सभी बच्चों को उस जीवन का अधिकार है। These people have an identity. They cannot be considered just backward, unwanted or helpless. They have miraculous abilities, but they are suppressed. They are humans with dreams and aspirations like all of us, and all they need is a helping hand. हम आशा करते हैं कि IDF के साथ जुड़कर हमारा ये बड़ा सा परिवार बहुत कुछ करके दिखाए, क्योंकि उम्मीद, दर्दी की, खुशी की और सेवा की कोई भाषा नहीं होती। धन्यवाद।